Started. Ooh, we're live. We're live. Swipe down to stop. Hey, I'm Peter Murray. I'm a realtor with Exit Realty Prosperity Group. I'm here with Bob Drake. Bob, say hi.
Hello to all.
We just got back from settlement. We helped somebody buy a home, and we're here. Hey, Bob. Hey, Dan.
Hey there.
Hey there.
What's up?
What's up? What's up, Bob? How's it going? We just got back from settlement. Tell us about it. How'd it go?
Great settlement. For anybody out there looking for homes, we just got back from a settlement where the young lady truly bought for no money down. Peter was good enough to negotiate the seller to pay all the closing cost. So we handed her a deposit check back, and she's in her first home and didn't spend little to no money at all to achieve that. So hopefully
Always great news.
hopefully there's other folks out there that want to do the same or get started on that path. Be a great time to do so.
Oh yeah, hey, thank you very much for the hearts. Keep them coming, please. We would maybe a heart roll or a heart attack whenever you get a chance. Not a real heart attack, but one of those little tap taps right there in that bottom corner, right there. But yeah, no, great home. We helped them buy a home. Settlement was a breeze, super easy. Heart attack.
It was a good one. It was a great deal from start to finish. 35 days, and most of it was pulled off by this young man next to me.
And this guy next to me.
I know we had a happy young lady on the other end. She's probably moving in right now.
Probably. She probably ordered a pizza. You know, we should probably order a pizza. Did you order that pizza?
I did not.
We're hungry.
We got some calls from J95000.
Hey there, how's it going?
What's up? Pepperoni, please.
So one of the reasons why we're doing this is to help you guys answer your questions if you're in the market for a home. Do you have any questions?
Mortgages or real estate?
We can help with both. Me with real estate, Bob with mortgage.
One of the things going on right now is that we're kind of in the basement. The rates have been low for about 40. Last time we were here was 40 years ago. So with the feds promising to raise
He wants a
prime,
qualification for a DPA. Hey, and your credit questions.
This is a great question.
That's a really good question. So real quick, we're going to show you Bob's contact info. Bob Drake, he's with Integrity Home Mortgage, 301-639-5237. Centerfoldhomes.com is my website. We can help you find a home. I'm licensed in Maryland and Pennsylvania, but I know realtors all over the world, and Bob knows lenders all over the world, so he could probably help you out there. For your credit questions, give Bob a call, 301-639-5237. He'll be happy to answer your questions, or send me an email through my contact info at centerfoldhomes.com. Hey Bob, talk about down payment assistance.
Yeah, the DPA is a great way to get into a home, just like we just talked about with the young lady. The county or the city, municipality, somebody comes up with $5,000 to $7,500. I've seen it go as high as $40,000, and in essence, you go through the process. You get approved for your loan.
Are you a financial counselor?
I am a licensed mortgage originator for Integrity
Now,
Home
do you know a
Mortgage.
financial counselor that you could refer them to?
Oh, I sure do. Financial counseling, as in home loan assist, is one of the greatest I've worked with.
So what you'll do is give Bob a call, Bob Drake with Integrity Mortgage, 301-639-5237, and he'll get you hooked up. Don't ask any of your real personal questions. I also saw a question out there for VA loan. Give Bob a call. He'll get your questions answered. 301-639-5237. Awesome. Much appreciated. 301-639-5237. He'll get you qualified. Reach out to me, and we'll get you in front of a home. Back to Bob about
Talk
the
about
down
VA
payment.
a little bit. VA doesn't have a down payment. You probably know that. There's also a lot of people think that VA is only allowing you to get one loan. In fact, that's not true. There's a VA loan called Tier 2 VA eligibility. And I probably had my last 4 settlements where the folks bought a home, were in it for about 7 years and they wanted to buy another home. And in fact, they had enough eligibility left over to do another VA with zero down.
He used it.
Sometimes if you use it twice, you're pushing the limits. I would still run it through the Tier 2 eligibility and see. If you just mean that you used it twice, if you used it and sold your house, once you sell that house and get rid of that loan, you're eligible again. So you could use it 10 times if you wish. But you could use it 2 times with this Tier 2 with having the first mortgage open and, a lot of people rent it out or whatever the circumstances are. Credit scores are super important. Most of the market investors out there that purchase the loans in the long run at the end of the process, they're looking for 640 as minimum scores. But 620 is doable for FHA and USDA financing. So usually when I get a score, that's close or a little bit lower than that, I hook them up with a company called Home Loan Assist, and within months they do a phenomenal job getting things wiped off people's credit reports. So I'm usually talking to them a couple times a week. Be happy to pass you on because they do a fabulous job for it's not much money. It's like $79 a month, and that caps out at $499 $499, I think. But anyhow, to finish up real quick on that DPA, down payment assistance is a process that we go through, and I actually do the loan process and that for the customer, and I just basically take our package down to the municipality or the county or whoever it is, and if we approve it, they approve it in most cases. There's a couple stipulations. You have to live in the county or work in the county that you're getting the money from. But really, really great way to buy a house for little to no money out of pocket. Hi, Kareem. It just joined, 1968. Is that your
good year?
1968 year of birth?
Whatever works. So my name is Peter Murray. For those of you that just joined, I'm here with Bob Drake. Oh, hey, our pleasure, Jamie. And please reach out to us. Give Bob Drake a call up with Integrity Home Mortgage, 301-639-5237, or visit my website, centerfoldhomes.com. That's CENTERFOLDHOMES.com. Yeah, please give us some hearts. Share this with your friends if you know that they're looking for a home. Like I said, I'm a realtor with Exit Realty Prosperity Group, broker 301-698-5700, and my cell phone is 301-452-5614. All my broker information is there on my website, centerfoldhomes.com. Contact info there too, as well as Bob Drake's contact info. We are here answering home questions, so if anybody else has any more, please don't hesitate to reach out. Bob and I are right here.
Well, we were just talking about a few minutes ago, we were thinking back to a few customers that we started over a year ago. Some settled and a lot of them did not. Just still looking at homes, maybe put it on hold. But they were in a 3.5% market, 3.5 30-year fixed, and that goes back a long way before you could ever find that again. So here we are 12 months later, and we've hit a 4% market. And that's only, the only place for it to go is up at this point, because the feds are talking about hiking the rates. And the folks that settled are very happy. The folks that didn't kind of wish that they had purchased back then. But for the same token, the folks that are thinking now, don't let it get into next spring where you kick yourself because now it's in the 5s. It's a big difference to have a 4% rate for 30 years, and you could go back into your family tree to your grandparents, and they'd probably tell you they had 4 or higher than that. So it's one of those things that a lot of people don't understand right now, but interest rates for the last, coming up on 30 years, so the last 30 years have averaged almost 7%, and they've been in double digits before, just 20 years ago. So anyhow, I'm going to go back over to Peter with some words of wisdom.
So one reason why we're doing this is to help educate home buyers buy a home. And one of the very first steps that you can do as a home buyer is to get pre-approved and pre-qualified with a good lender. You want somebody that's honest and reputable and that will be able to tell you like it is.
Do you know any of them?
I do. His name is Bob. And his contact info is on my website. Getting pre-qualified is the very first step in the home buying process. And then once you get pre-qualified, that lender will then he'll take all of your income and all of your expenses, and he'll generate a price range that you can go out and look at a home with your realtor. And
That's cool.
We're happy to help anybody. I'm licensed in Maryland and Pennsylvania, and I have realtor friends all over the world that can help you with your home search process. And Bob, where are you licensed in?
I'm licensed in Maryland, Virginia, and Pennsylvania. One of the things we were talking about before was the first-time home buyer and qualifications, different mortgages that apply to them. A couple of the first-time home buyer programs that you'll read into or look up on the net, USDA is the one that I was talking about before, with zero money down, seller's allowed to pay all your closing costs. And then the next one's going to be FHA, where most people they hear about that first. More so your first-time home buyer, but anybody can use it. You could buy a house, up to 625,500 with that program. But 3.5% down, and that's the big difference. It's just the minimum out of pocket is what most people are looking for. Any programs out there that I should hit on?
I don't think so. I think, you know what, today we really answered a lot of people's questions. We have a couple of people that are going to give us a phone call tomorrow. We're going to try and make this a regular broadcast. Once again, I'm Peter Murray with Exit Realty Prosperity Group. 301-698-8700 is my broker's phone number, and my cell phone and contact info is 301-452-5614. You can also go to my website, www.centerfold, CENTERFOLD, homes, HOMAS.com. That's in my profile. And Bob Drake, he's with Integrity Home Mortgage Corporation. His contact info, 301-639-5237. And Bob, what's your email?
My email is bdrake, DRAKE, at ihmcloans, LOANS.com. bdrake at ihmcloans.com. Give me a holler. I'll get back to you. It doesn't matter what time. Hit me with questions and I'll get you answers. I've been doing it for about 30 years now, and if I don't have the answer, I'll find it for you.
Hey, thanks for tuning in. We'll talk to you guys later.